I need to make a couple videos apparently. Apple just changed a bunch of their ringtones. Like, I went into the ringtone setting to set an alarm because I'm about to make a video, and I went in and all the alarms in the menus are completely different, and they are not normal. Dude, where's the normal classic? Okay, they do have different, wait, are these like classic, or are they like the, wait. These are different! All the other ringtones are gone! What? Hold on. I can't set... What's the ringtone name that I normally set to? I can't remember the name. I don't know, but it... Because Constellations is the one that my mom uses. I recognize that one. The name that I can't remember what it is, but what? Hold on, I gotta turn this up. It's so long! It goes, I had to stop it. It didn't stop. What the fuck? Did freaking Apple, combine with freaking what's their name? Daft Punk. Why couldn't I not come up with the name? It sounds like they had a collaboration with Daft Punk. Cause this sounds like something from Tron. What the heck? Ooh! Man, that's so cool! What the heck? I didn't realize they had new ringtones. It sounds like the start of Fireflies. It sounds like the beginning of Fireflies. Why? Whoa, that's weird. I wish I would play at the max volume by default. Do I just turn my ringer up and then it's close enough? Oh, okay. These are literally full songs. Sorry for my allergies, I'm getting over a cold. Okay, that's the shortest one so far. They have like 30 of them too, like normal. That's weird. Stop! Oh my gosh. Okay, the one thing I don't like is how where it gets annoyed at me when I get close to like my HomePod or something. This is the craziest one so far. hold on. What's the default? Whoa! Okay, it still remembered all of like the custom ringtones I added myself because I just used an app from my Mac to add them. But that's crazy. Whoa. They changed reflections by a lot. Holy Moses. Reflections sounded so boring before, but this actually sounds crazy. Wait, that means all of my custom ringtones for all of my contacts are all... Whoa, hello. Whoa, hello. Why is... I'm still setting up my phone apparently. Huh? Why does it look so much different? Huh? Okay, does all of my ringtones different? I'm actually gonna go through, because I have a couple of ringtones set for some people. Oh, I can do my friend, because this was a train. Oh, it's still a train! Wait, no, it's not. Do they still have... Is it... Oh, it's under classics. Okay, never mind. Never mind. The train can't go away because that's a classic ringtone. Okay, never mind. Oh wait, they have all of they have all of the regular. They just put all of them under the classics. So they do have all of them. I just had to keep scrolling. I'm still going through alarms. Holy Moses, there's so many. That's just a piano. That is just not a piano, that's a song. I like the ringtones, but I don't understand why iOS 17 replaced it. I understand that they're trying to update everything, but my god, they literally put in... How many new ringtones? Like 30? Okay, that's the most craziest one so far. Holy crap. This one kind of gives me... Actually, no it doesn't. Never mind. None of these sound similar to the old ones. I was gonna say the beginning sounds like a ringtone that I have set. Nope. This one. It starts kind of the same. Nope. It starts with the same pitch. These are quieter, too. The other ones were so loud because I have my ringer set all the way up at the moment. Okay, this is the weirdest one so far. I got 4 more. Okay, they kind of get less and less interesting. The ones at the beginning are crazy. Okay, that's like basic. Ooh! Hold on. I want to restart that again. I love that chord transition. What? Or whatever it is. That half, wow, that's a really cool transition. Alright, last one. Holy Moses, that's very intense. Wow, that was so short, that's it! That's all the ringtone was. Alright, well I guess I know what ringtone I'm gonna have for waking me up at 4 o'clock in the morning. That's cool. I got more content. If you want any more content of me figuring out iOS 17 stuff, subscribe. I'm getting a new phone in a week, so I'll make a video of that eventually, because that'll be fun. Anyways, bye!